In this video, I'm going to show you how to set text duration on TikTok video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and then hit right here at that big plus sign to start creating a video. You can use your camera to record some video, or you can hit right here at upload icon to upload some video from your camera roll. You can just check mark a video and then hit on next. And now, in order to add a text here, you can tap right there where it says text. Then you can start typing some random text. Then you can hit on done, and now if you want to change the duration for the text, and if you want to control appearance and disappearing of this text, all you have to do is hit at the text and select set duration. Now it shows you that timeline and that red rectangle over the timeline. It means the duration of the text. So if you want to set start time or appearance time for the text, all you have to do is just move that red edge to the left or to the right. You can position playback marker first in that way to find the exact time where you want to text to be shown, and then you can move that edge to that position. After that, you can set end time for that text, and after that you can hit at that check mark icon to see what happened. And as you can see, now text appeared, and after a short period of time it disappears from video. And in the same way, you can hit right here at text icon again and add another text on that video. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.